There's this little pine sapling, little tiny little pine, baby pine tree here that's growing out of the moss from this decaying pine tree. Just very cute. Hello and welcome to another Ernie's Journeys, where we answer the question, where will the journey take us? Today, the journey takes us here. We're at Mayberry Hill Preserve in the town of Casco. This is an easy trail, according to Maine Trail Finder, and it's only a mile long, but it sits on 160 acres of mixed woodland. So this should be an interesting trail. Already I can tell that I'm really going to enjoy this one. Okay, I don't know if that's intentional, but it looks like there are some walking sticks here. If this is intentional, this is not just that somebody left them here. That is very cool. I've never seen a trail to include multi-purpose walking sticks for people to use. It's so kind. Mayberry Hill Preserve has some volunteer trail adopters. It's good to acknowledge those folks. I'm not going to opt for the complimentary walking sticks. I'm going to go without. So let's hope I don't fall and break something. And again, we're in the town of Casco, Maine, which is located in western Maine. Just from starting this little walk, I can already tell, as far as Anklebusters scales goes, you're really not going to have a problem walking this trail. It says easy on MaineTrailFinder.com. I definitely take it as easy. So this is a 1. I really like this little kind of semi-covered grove that you walk through, the line of trees. There's supposed to be some good wildlife spots here, so I'm really looking forward to maybe identifying some wildlife. There's a little tree over here. Oh, and a sign. Field Trail. So this is one of the trails that you can take. And this does eventually loop back around to this little covered trail. Let's go check this one out. This trail, by the way, looks like it's marked with these. Looks like a 1. Snake eyes on a 6-sided die. So that's what marks these trails. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this field. I'm going to stop up ahead over here. Oop, there's some birds in the trees. We'll stop over here at this turn and kind of get an appreciation of this field. This is really pretty. Look at that sun. I really enjoy fall in Maine. It's probably my most favorite time of year here. Lately, I've been doing a lot of trail reviews, and it is my goal eventually to cover as many, if not all, of the trails in Maine as I can. I'd give this one 4 deep breaths. Here, you can still hear the road, but the further you go in, the less you hear it. It's nice, beautiful, quiet day. This is a really good, easy trail to just kind of get away. as far as Shutterbugs goes, based on what I can see so far, you've got some, really beautiful fields and really quiet walks. So I'd say about a 3 as far as Shutterbugs goes. I haven't really noticed anything spectacular to photograph, but it is very beautiful. As I was saying earlier, it's Murphy's Law. The moment that I'm going to start talking to the camera is right when someone's going to come up and and walk past me. And but as I was saying earlier, I really wanted to, as best as possible, do as many trails as I can in the fall, just because it's, to me, the most beautiful time of year. It's also the least buggy time of year. There's not going to be mosquitoes or black flies. It's the best time to be outdoors, I think. I mean, any time of year is the best time to be outdoors. But as far as trails goes, I like fall. There is this natural stone bench here. I guess you could call it a natural stone bench. I don't know, maybe somebody kind of assembled this here, like a caveman sofa. But I bet if you sat here and waited a while, you'd hear and see a lot more nature. I hear somebody using a leaf blower right now. Do you guys hear that? It's either a leaf blower or maybe a motorcycle. I don't know. I'm not quite sure what it is. It's a little rough on the tuchus, but at the halfway point, it's kind of nice to just have a place to sit down and chill for a second. Caveman bench, you were nice and comfy, but now it's time for us to move on. There are birds everywhere here. If you just stay still and stay quiet, you're going to be surrounded by birds. There's lots of them everywhere. I don't even know why I'm whispering. There's a whole bunch of them right over here. Look at them go. If you're a bird lover, lots of great bird watching here. You see this guy on this branch right over here? He's a squirrel just chomping away on an acorn. Hello. I mean you no harm. Oh. I totally didn't mean to scare you. Aw. Oh my gosh, so cute. Aw, well, I'm freaking him out. I'll keep going. Didn't mean to make you drop your acorn, dude. So, because we took the field trail, we didn't get to see the sign, but we were basically on Mayberry Hill Loop. If you continue this way, you'll eventually connect back up with the field trail. I gotta say, I really, really like this trail. This is very well maintained, very well kept. It's beautiful, tons of wildlife to enjoy. It's not very strenuous, it's nice and easy. And it's about a mile. If you have an hour in the day and just want to get out, this is a real good one. Caveman sofa meet caveman love seat. Yeah, yeah, perfect. Great. I really, really like this. We're right next to a stone wall over here. That's that same stone wall from earlier. So we're almost done with our loop. It's a great view of this big tree here. Really thick branches on it. You guys see the way the sun is catching this little spot of leaves right there in that tree? That's beautiful. It's about 4 in the afternoon here in October. It's a nice cool day in the 50s. I like this trail a lot. This is a really good, easy trail for beginners. You're gonna go through a little drive through the countryside, going from Raymond to Casco, and absolutely worth it. It's beautiful. I highly recommend this trail. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. We got to go on a little trail through Casco. Mayberry Hill is the name of the trail. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. New videos post every Tuesday and Thursday. Join us next time when we answer the question, where will the journey take us?